How to join Expedia affiliate program. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join Expedia affiliate program. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And before we jump on to its affiliate program, let's start first by knowing Expedia.com. So Expedia.com is an online travel agency that provides a platform for users to search, compare, and book various travel services such as flights, hotels, car rentals, vacation, packages, cruises, and activities, in which it was launched in 1996 as a division of Microsoft and later became an independent company. Expedia.com is one of the largest and most popular travel websites, offering a wide range of travel options and deals to users worldwide. It also offers a customer support services to assist travelers with their bookings and inquiries. And now that we know the background info about this website, we can now start applying to their affiliate program. And to do that, we're going to use the website called cj.com. And if you don't know what is this platform, cj.com, also known as Junction, is an affiliate marketing network in which it acts as an intermediary between advertisers, also known as merchants, and publishers or affiliates, in which advertisers join cj.com to promote their products or services through affiliate marketing. They provide advertising materials such as banner, links, or product feeds, and a set of commission rate for affiliate referrals or sales, in which they can choose from a wide range of advertisers and promote their products or services on their website, blogs, social media platforms, or other online channels. And publishers earn commissions when their referred visitors make a purchase or perform a specific action on the advertiser's website, in which this website helps to establish and maintain partnership between advertisers and publisher. And in order to create an account, just click the sign up button, which is located on the top right corner. Or alternatively, you can simply click the Get Started button on the advertiser's site, in which all you need to do in creating an account in cj.com is to fill out all of the required information. And after successfully creating an account, just go back in here and click the login button, which is located on the top right corner. And you will be directed in here. Just enter your email address and your password and just click the login button, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on the dashboard of cj.com, in which from here, you need to activate your account by doing the tasks that are listed below. Those tasks including to enter your user information, to complete your network profile, to add a promotional property, to provide your payment information, and many more, in which it is important to activate your account in order to join to their affiliate program. And aside from that, you can also navigate the option on the top panel. Those options including the account, such as administrative settings, network profile, users, websites, and subscriptions. While under the option of advertisers, you will see here the program that you can choose in order to join to affiliate program. While under the links, you can generate a tracker links that can be used in promoting a brand in your affiliate program. And aside from that, you can also navigate the widgets, the reports option, the placement, pay-per-call, insights with each corresponding subcategories. And in order to apply to affiliate program, just click the option Advertisers, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed in this page. And from here, you will see the list of brands and company that you can apply to their affiliate program. You will see here the details, including the network earnings, which determines how successful the brand or company. While on the left side panel, it will show you some other details, including the search bar on advertisers and keywords, the status of your application, the category, the serviceable area, or the country or region, the language that you prefer, the advertiser's country, geographic source, and currency, in which you can select any of those preferences. In order to join to Expedia affiliate program, just enter the word Expedia on the advertiser's search bar and proceed by clicking the search button, in which upon clicking on it, it will show you the results. And upon typing Expedia, you will see the result of Expedia brand from different regions. But if you can find the regions you're into, kindly click or select Expedia INC and proceed by clicking the search button. And on the right side, you will see the company Expedia. And below here, under the more info, you will see the name, contact, currency, country, URL, and even the date that they joined the network. And below that is the description about this platform. And as you can see, you can earn up to 6% commission with Expedia for travel bookings that become completed stay. And below that, you will also see the deals and tools that they offer, including a 7-day action referral period, weekly newsletter, new deals, and seasonal offers for US and international travel, discount deals, widgets, hotel product catalog, and many more. And below that information, you will see the restriction or the things that they are not allowed, in which it says here that they do not pay commission through EPP, vacation packages, or cruise sold through Expedia.ca. And make sure, before applying for the affiliate program in here, you must keep in mind the restriction that they are not allowing to this program. And aside from that, under this program terms section, you will see here the percentage of commission that you will get depending on the situation or situational commission adjustments, in which in situation of car, you will get a 2% commission, while in cruise, you will receive a 6% commission. While for package, you will receive a 2% commission, and for activity, you will receive a 5% commission. And aside from that, below here, you will see the policies of this affiliate program, including the search campaigns, your responsibility for your website, such as to use logos and trademarks in websites, and the other action that they are allowed for the affiliates to do. And as you can see here, it is allowed to promote this platform or brand through social media, such as Facebook, Twitter, or even Instagram. And aside from that, you can also navigate the relationship, history, and link accounts. And to start applying to their affiliate program, just click this button that says Apply to Program. But make sure that you activate your account before applying to any program. And by clicking on this button, your application will be manually reviewed by the advertiser. And you need to wait for the response or confirmation email for at least 3 business days or more, or alternatively, you can track the status of your application on the left side panel here under the status, and just select Pending Application, in which you will get the notification if ever the confirmation email has been sent to you by Expedia. And when you are now eligible to promote the Expedia, you need to create or generate your tracker links. And to do that, just click Link Tools under the Links option, in which the tracker links is the one that you will use in promoting the Expedia company. While in terms of payment, the commission that you will receive will be sent by Expedia to your cgaccount.com, and it will reflect to your balances. And in order to withdraw your commission, you can set up or link your Payoneer account in order to withdraw the commission that you earned. So that is just how to join Expedia affiliate program. Thank you.